How to sign up for Office 365. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Starting off, launch your preferred browser on your device. In your device, search for Office 365 and give it a search. It will direct you to a new page with a lot of options. You have to select on Microsoft 365 login, that is the genuine one. Now you can select the option of sign in or get Microsoft 365. Select on sign in to create an account first and foremost. Now starting off, you need to enter your Microsoft email address, phone number or Skype ID that is linked to your Microsoft. If you do not have one, you can try on different option of sign in. That includes your GitHub or biometric login. Once you have entered your email address, now it's time to enter your password. Enter the password that is linked to your Microsoft account. Once done, tap on Sign In. And there you have it, your very own Office 365. Wasn't it simple? Now you can create your documents, resumes, presentation, explore your Excel sheet, and more. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.